What's up creatives, Seb here bringing you a brand new Instagram tutorial. In today's video, I'm showing you how to create a seamless Instagram collage, also known as a seamless multi-post. Now this tutorial literally only takes 2 minutes. I'm going to be using Adobe Photoshop for this, but if you don't have that, you can use GIMP or Photopea, which are free Photoshop alternatives. I'm also going to be giving you the best export settings for your photos so you can post the highest quality photos on Instagram. And don't worry, if you're only on mobile and don't have access to a desktop, I'll also be showing you how you can create these seamless collages for Instagram straight from your mobile at the end of this video. But just before we get started, if you are new here, welcome. My name's Seb. This channel is all about videography, video editing, and photography. I'm all about posting high quality short form content, so if it does sound interesting to you, then do consider hitting the subscribe button. But now that we've gotten out of the way, let's head over to the editing desk and start creating your seamless Instagram collage. So welcome to the editing desk. Let's jump right into it and start making our Instagram collage. So the first thing I've done is just opened up Lightroom and color graded my photo just the way I like it. Now all we have to do is change our aspect ratio. So this is the original aspect and we're going to change it to a 1920 by 1080, so 16 by 9. I'm going to quickly reframe it just to how I like it. And now that looks good to me. All we have to do now is right click, do editing, and edit in Photoshop. All right, now we're pretty much halfway there. Just go into your view section up here and then select new guide layout. Here it's then going to ask you how many columns you want. So make sure you put 2, or if you're doing like a free post, you can put 3 or 4, whatever you want. So if we change the numbers, you'll see it adjusts it accordingly, but we're just going to have it as 2. Make sure that your gutter is set to 0 because I think by default it's set to 20. Once you've done that, you can just press OK. Now just head over to your crop tool and right click till you get your slice tool. Then all you have to do is slice your first image here and then do the exact same thing, slice your second image, and then make sure you click on the slice from guides. What that's going to do is then cut up your image. Now that we've sliced up our 2 pictures, we just have to export it. So go to File, Export, Save for Web. We're then going to set our preset to JPEG. And we're going to set the quality to maximum, so you'll see that it goes to 100 up here. I like to select it as progressive, and then what we're going to do here is just zoom out so we can see our entire image, and then shift click on image 1 and then image 2, and then as you can see it's now selected it both. All you have to do now is make sure that progressive is selected, and then choose your save destination, and then it will export your photo. All you have to do now is send your collage images on Google Drive or Dropbox and then save it on your phone. And now we're going to head over to Instagram to start uploading your collage. Okay, now before we head over to Instagram to post your seamless Instagram collage, I'm going to quickly show you how you can do it on mobile because it's just as easy. The only requirements is that you need a landscape photo like this. So we're going to use the exact same photo that we did for the Photoshop tutorial. Once you've done that, all you have to do is download an app called Splitter or Unsquared. They both work really well. Open it up and then it will ask you to select your photo. So I'm going to quickly import a photo right now. Once the photo is imported, you can then crop or resize it. And once you're happy, just press split. You can then split it into 2, 3, or 4. So we're just going to do 2. And as you can see, it's now split it correctly for Instagram. Now I just need to click Save Photo to Library. Then I can go ahead and open up Instagram, create a new post. Once you're in your create a post on Instagram, click on your first picture and then select the arrows to make it as wide as possible so it fits the 4:5 aspect ratio. Once you've done that, select the collage item and then select your second image. And then just press next again, and then you can now preview your photo just before posting to make sure it looks okay. And this looks absolutely brilliant. It's completely seamless. Now all you have to do is post your photo and you're good to go. So as you saw, it was pretty easy to create this seamless Instagram collage on desktop and on mobile. I hope this video did help out, and if it did, do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what videos you want to see next in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.